Here is exactly how you can turn off sensitive content on Twitter app. This works on iPhone and Android phone. You can do the same steps on both devices. Now, all you have to do, guys, you want to open your Twitter account, as you can see here. So a lot of people search for that option on their Twitter app, okay? They go to the app and then they search where they can turn off or where they can disable sensitive content on Twitter so that they can see sensitive content on Twitter. Or they can view sensitive content. Now, if Instagram always limits you, like they always say that sensitive content, stuff like that, you can easily turn this off, okay? But you can't do that on the app. You will have to open the web version on your phone. You want to just like open your favorite browser. It could be Safari or Google Chrome or any browser you like, because when you click on the profile in the top left, you will not see that feature where you can turn off sensitive content on Twitter app, okay? So even if you click on settings, you will not see that feature here. It's not here, okay? But what you want to do, guys, you want to just open your favorite browser, okay? And then search for twitter.com, okay? So you want to search for twitter.com and make sure you log in using the same information you use on the app, okay? On the app, you want to use the same. You want to just enter your login information. Now, after that, guys, you want to, after that, the other steps are very easy. Now, after you log in, guys, into your account using the web version, like I said, not the app, you want to just click on in the top left. You will see the profile picture. Click on it, and then after that, guys, after you click on profile picture, you want to click on settings and support at the very bottom left. Now scroll down a little bit and click on settings and privacy. Now after that, guys, you want to click on privacy and safety. Now after that, you want to click on content you see. Now what you want to do, guys, you want to just turn this on, okay? You want to toggle this on. You want to enable it so that display media that might contain sensitive content. So Twitter will now display the media that may contain sensitive content by toggling this on. So it's toggled on now. After that, guys, you want to click on search settings at the very bottom, and then you make sure you disable, or you make sure you toggle this off. As you can see, it will be here. It will look like this. You want to toggle it off like this. Like you want to just turn off these two options here. Now after that, you want to go back and you want to reload the app, and now the problem will be resolved and you can easily view sensitive content on Twitter. Hopefully this video helped. If it does, leave a like, subscribe, let me know in the comments if this works. See you guys in the next video.